Welcome to Next Gen Templates. Today we are looking at the Diversity and Inclusion Dashboard, built entirely in Google Sheets. If you are trying to understand who works in your company, how fairly they are paid, and whether they actually feel they belong, this is the template that puts all of it on one screen. Let us dive right in. We start on the Overview page, which gives you the company-wide picture. Along the top, you can see 4 key numbers. Total headcount sits at 500 people. Women in the workforce at 43.8%, an average inclusion score of 74.6, and 54 promotions. Just below that, we break the workforce down by gender. We show 3 live dials tracking women, diverse and under 35 representation against target, and we rank headcount by ethnicity. Underneath, you can follow the 12-month hiring trend and compare headcount against promotions at every job level. 4 filters across the top let you narrow everything by department, gender, region, or job level. Next up, we have the Workforce page, which is all about composition. The cards here show total headcount, engineering headcount, the share of people under 35, and average training hours. As you can see, headcount is broken out by department, and right beside it, the same departments are split by gender, so you can spot where representation drops off. Lower down, we compare headcount across the 6 regions, and the age group breakdown shows how the workforce is distributed from 18 to 24, all the way up to 55 plus. Now let us move to the Equity page. This is where pay and progression are put under the microscope. The cards give you average salary, median salary, Banbi salary, women in leadership, and total promotions. Across the top row, you can compare average salary by job level, by gender, and by ethnicity side by side. The bottom row plots salary against inclusion score, shows how promotions are distributed across departments, and compares average salary with headcount for each age group. Any gap you see here is a conversation worth having. The inclusion page shifts the focus to belonging and development. Here you get the average inclusion score, total training hours, the share of employees who disclosed a disability, and how many scores sit above 80. As you can see on the left, the inclusion score is compared across every department, and next to it, we line up inclusion score against training hours for each ethnicity. Below, the disability disclosure breakdown and the month-by-month sentiment trend show you whether things are improving over time. There is also a search sheet. Pick any employee ID from the drop-down and the full record appears instantly, from hire date and job level right through to salary, training hours, and status. It is the quickest way to pull up one person without scrolling through the Data tab. Behind the scenes is the Data tab. This is where all 500 employee records live, 1 row per person, with plain columns for department, gender, ethnicity, salary, inclusion score, and more. You simply paste your own records over the sample rows, keep the headers the same, and the entire dashboard recalculates on its own. Grab the download link in the description, visit nextgentemplates.com, and explore the rest of our templates. Thanks for watching.